Hello, let's provide the solution here. What is the value of x given the square root of 3 multiplying by square root of 3 multiplying by square root of 3, which is equal to 27 raised to power x. So what is the value of x? Solution to this problem. Solution. We have that the square root of 3 multiplying by square root of 3 multiplying by square root of 3. This is equal to 27 raised to power x. Okay. Now, the first thing to do here, we square both signs. We square both signs to eliminate the first square root sign, so that you're going to have 3 multiplying by square root of 3 multiplying by square root of 3, and this is equal to 27 raised to power, this is x times 2, which is equal to 2x. Okay, so we can be able to multiply x times 2, applying the indices identity. If you have a raised to power n multiplying by m, this can be expressed as a raised to power n multiplying by m. Okay, now from here we are going to proceed again. We square both signs. We square both signs, so that we're going to have, this is 3 squared, going to have 3 squared, okay, multiplying by, we eliminate the second square root sign, so that we'll have multiplying by 3, okay, then square root of 3, this is equal to 27 raised to power 2x times 2, okay, applying this identity, so that you're going to have 4x, so you'll have 27 raised to power 4x, okay. Now from here, you're going to have 3 squared is 9, 9 times 3, this is 27, multiplying by square root of 3, which is equal to 27 raised to power 4x, okay. Now as you can see, we can divide both signs by 27, divide both signs by 27, so that you're going to have square root of 3, this is equal to 27 raised to power, this is 27 raised to power 1, okay. So applying the indices identity, that if you have a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m, of which that is the form where this is the form that we have 27 raised to power 4x divided by 27 raised to power 1. This can be expressed as a raised to power n subtract m, okay. So let's apply this identity, so that we're going to have 4x subtract 1, okay. Now from here, we can eliminate this square root sign by, we square both signs again, so that we eliminate the square root sign. You're going to have 3 is equal to 27 raised to power, this is 2 multiplying by 4x subtract 1, okay. But as you can see, 27 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 3, okay. So that you're going to have 3, this is equal to 3 raised to power 3. Now, as you can see here, this is 2 times 4x, which is equal to 8x subtract 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2, okay. So now you can see this is what we have. This is 3 raised to power 1, okay. Again, applying the identity that if you have a raised to power n, that's where now we have an exponent with the common basis. If we have an exponent with, we have where the bases are common, then n is equal to m, okay. So let's apply this property again, so that now we are going to have 1 is equal to 3 multiplying by 8x minus, this is 8x minus 2, okay. So from here, this is 1 is equal to 3 times 8, x, which is 24, x subtract 3 times 2, this is negative 6, okay. So we can rearrange these as 24x is equal to 6 plus 1, so that we're going to have 24x is equal to 7. Divide both signs by 24, so that the value of x is equal to 7 over 24, okay. So let's prove this one quickly. Let's prove this. So let's verify that the value of x, which is equal to 7 over 24, satisfies the equation. As you can recall, okay, as you can recall, we end that the square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3, this is equal to 27 raised to power x. Okay, now from here we can express this square root of 3 as 3, the first square root sign can be expressed as 3 raised to power half. Okay, now this is essentially because if you have the square root of a number like a, square root of a can be expressed as a raised to power half. So this is the same thing. If you say square root of a is the same as a raised to power half. Okay, so now we can have 3 raised to power half multiplying by 3 raised to power half. Okay, multiplying by half. Okay, because we have 2 square root sign, and then multiplying by 3. This is now the third 3. We have 3 square root sign, so we'll have a half multiplying by half multiplying by half. Okay, this is supposed to give us 27 raised to power x. Okay, now from here we are going to have 3 raised to power, this is a half multiplying by 3, a half times a half, this is equal to 1 over 4, then multiplying by 3 raised to power a half times a half times a half. You're saying that a half multiplying by half multiplying by half, this is equal to 1 over 8. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Okay, so this is 1 over 8. And as you can see, 3 raised to power half multiplying by 3 raised to power 1 over 4 multiplying by 3 over 1 over 8, that is 3 raised to power 1 over 8. This is in the form of a raised to power n multiplying by a raised to power m, which we can express as a raised to power n plus m. So let's express in this form, so that we're going to have 3 raised to power. Now we can form an LCM here. The LCM of 2, 4, and 8 is 8. So if you say 8 divided by 2, that is 4 times 1, this is 4, plus 8 divided by 4, that is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 8 divided by 8 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, so that we're going to have 3 raised to power, this is 4 plus 2, which is 6, 6 plus 1, this is 7, so we're going to have 7 over 8. Okay, so that means that, remember, the left hand side is supposed to be equal to the right hand side. Okay, so in this case our left hand side is 3 raised to power 7 over 8, which is supposed to give us a value of 27 raised to power x, and the value of x is 7 over 24. Okay, now as you can see, 27 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 3. So let's substitute the value of 27. So 3 raised to power 7 over 8, this is equal to 3 raised to power 3 multiplying by 7 over 24. 7 over 24. So let's simplify this. If you simplify here, we'll have 3 and this is 8. Okay, 24 divided by 3 is 8. So this is the left hand side, we have 3 raised to power 7 over 8. This is equal to 3 raised to power 7 over 8. And it is true that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that shows that the value of x, which is 7 over 24, satisfies the equation. Okay, and that's the solution. So thank you for watching, and kindly consider subscribing. Thank you.